Madridians. So I think what makes Madrid pretty vulnerable with regard to climate change is their use of vehicles. As I think everyone in this group knows by now, there's a lot of people in Madrid, and they pretty much all use vehicles to get from point A to point B. And however, the city is doing a lot of things to combat this and really looking into the future on seeing how they can change this. And that's through, for example, building roads that are more pedestrian and bike friendly. They're transitioning to zero emission vehicles, and that's for both public and personal use. They're implementing policies to reduce pollution, and they are raising awareness for air quality while also monitoring air quality closely at this point. Another thing I saw that was pretty cool on how they're combating climate change is through a method called heat mitigation. I've never heard of this, but it's pretty much using cool roofs and cool pavement. So, like pavement of a lighter color so it doesn't bring in as much heat into our environment. And I thought that was a pretty cool, unique way of thinking. And I know Phoenix, I don't live in Phoenix, but I know Phoenix has that problem where it's a city of concrete. And that's actually what has led to extreme high temperatures in Phoenix. If they were to continue this path, like business as usual, I think the biggest thing would be air quality deaths. According to the World Health Organization, over 99% of people live in places where the air quality is like too poor to actually be living in. Another issue would be through heat deaths. The city is rising in temperature, and the city's falling behind and keeping their citizens cool. And there's actually several heat related deaths that occur every year in Madrid due to this. I don't think there's too many things about the city culture or history that impact the response to climate change, but I would see one issue could possibly be the extreme historic feel Madrid has in their city. And a lot of the new technology coming out on how to combat climate change have very modern or contemporary feels to them, and that doesn't really line up with the historic feel of Madrid.